Welcome on my YouTube channel GyaanTech. Today in this video I will let you know how you can install Cisco Packet Tracer. Let's check what's the software version we have already installed for Cisco Packet Tracer. As of now I have logged in successfully with this Packet Tracer, and as of now it's working fine. So let me check for this how it is working, and also we will check the software after installing the latest version also. The installed version is working fine or not, so that we can verify later the installed latest version. As now I have connected two routers, I am checking the installed version of the Cisco Packet Tracer. As of now, closing it. Go to this website. Now need to download Packet Tracer 9 and Windows 64-bit. Now it's downloading. Let's complete it. Then we will continue installation for this. Okay, now it has been downloaded. So now I'm going to install it, run as an administrator, and now select accept the terminal license and click on next. Now select next, and you can choose accordingly depend on you. I'm selecting here like this, and go to next and install it, and it will take some time. It's depend on your hardware. Yes, here we go. Now click on the finish. Would you like to? I will select here yes. And now the latest version of the Cisco Packet Tracer has been started, and before starting to work on this, we have to log in with Cisco file ID, which you have already registered for Cisco websites, and login server, keep it default. And I am selecting here keep me login. Click on keep me login for 3 months and login. I have already registered with Cisco profile, so now I have successfully login with the Cisco Packet Tracer. If you don't have the Cisco ID, then you cannot log in, so make sure your internet should be disconnected, then you can log in, else it will not work. So as you can see here, now Packet Tracer has been installed. Let me check how it is working. Yes, it seems it's working good. So I have connected a switch, and connecting one more switch here, and choosing cables for connecting this. See here like visible, and you can zoom and zoom out from here also. I will let you know all the features and all the things about this Cisco Packet Tracer, how you can use upcoming videos. It's showing here a physical device location in rack. I can zoom from here, and you can see a connected cable. Also I will try to add here one more device, and we will connect both devices with cables, like physically when you work at the environment. I have connected another switch. I'm selecting the cables in which we need to connect. You can connect and disconnect cable accordingly, and it is working fine. It's quite impressive to connecting the cables between the switches. Also it's a little easy to use. You can select the cable according to your requirement and connect each other for multiple devices like switches and routers, whatever you want. Also I'm going to in the CLI mode. So now we are checking the running Cisco iOS version, also version command, and it will show you what is running iOS version. It will show you.
Follow for more, share with friends, and save for later.